How's it going? I'm going to take you through a pull workout right now. This pull workout focuses on the upper back because that's what I want to grow. My lats respond really well, but the rest of my muscles in my upper back don't seem to respond as well. So this workout will target the upper third of your back and hopefully we'll see some more development there. I'll put the workout on the screen now, and you can take a screenshot of it. The first exercise is the pen-lie row. Your back is going to be perpendicular to the floor and you're going to lift the bar from the floor for each rep instead of hanging down by your knees in a regular barbell row. I've found for me that setting the bar on the lowest set of safety pins and lifting from there targets my upper back more than starting on the floor. The next movement is a wide grip cable row. I'm using a neutral grip with a mag bar, but don't feel like you need to have one of these. As long as it's wide and you can do neutral or overhand grips, you'll be fine. I've been incorporating lots of posture reps in my training lately, so that's what the 1.5 rep movement is. It's a little hard to tell, but I'm also trying to pull as high as I can. I'm trying to pull the bar in line with the muscle fibers in my upper back. So when the weight starts going back, you should feel your mid and lower traps pull apart, and that feeling should work its way from the inside to the outside of your back, in line with the bar. Pulling closer to your abs is going to work the lats more. Now we're going to be doing some close grip cable rows while leaning forward. It looks a little weird, but it's going to put more emphasis on the lats. This was my first time trying these. I could feel the difference leaning makes on my lats, but I could also feel how much triceps I need to use. Because I was pulling with too much arms, my arms got tired a couple reps before my lats. I need to adjust my form, probably by keeping my arms in a fixed position, acting more as hooks, so I can pull more using my lats. I'll keep trying these for now, but you can substitute these with pull-ups or pull-downs. Now I'm going to start supersetting with dumbbell rows and single arm cable curls. I angle my back to wherever I can feel my upper back contracting the most and squeeze at the top. These shouldn't be heavy at all. Pick a weight that you can do from 15 to 20 reps. For cable curls, pick a weight that you can do 15 to 20 times again and focus on getting a deeper mind-muscle connection. Cables are great for arms because they put a constant tension on the muscle. The last superset are rear delt raises and hammer curls. There are many ways to go about doing rear delt raises. You're going to need a light weight and some high reps. It's easy to let traps take over the movement, or not feel anything when you're doing these. You can do them seated, standing, laying down, with cables or without. Experiment with what gives you the best connection and realize that it might change workout to workout, so you need to change how you do these from workout to workout. For the rope hammer curl, it's simple, and I think this is one of the best forearm exercises. At the top of the movement, pause, squeeze the forearm muscles, and as you lower the weight, have those squeezed forearms resist relaxing as you return to the bottom. And last is the shrug movement. I'm doing dumbbell shrugs today. Try to keep your arms as straight as possible. The more bending at the elbow, the more stress the weight is going to put on your biceps. Since shrugs are done at a heavy weight, this can cause some bad injuries to the bicep if the elbow bend becomes too great and the biceps start getting involved. You want your arms to be like hooks and lift by raising your traps. That's it. This is my current pull workout. I've been at a plateau for quite a while with the heavy lower volume workouts. So for the last couple of months, I've increased the volume and I'm starting to see a little bit of progress again. So I'm pretty happy with this workout. If you found this information helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more content about Japan and working out.